Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor, and the content of this video reflects solely my views. Prior to making any investment decisions, I strongly recommend conducting your thorough research. Hello, friends. In today's video, we will delve into the performance of the 11 newly launched Bitcoin ETFs. We will discuss their expense ratios, identify the leaders and the laggers, and explore additional insights. Like many of you, I have anticipated a rapid surge to $100,000 for Bitcoin once the ETFs were approved. But unfortunately, that scenario did not unfold. On the first day of trading, 11 Bitcoin ETFs generated $4.6 billion and around $10 billion by third day. Just to give some perspective, total 543 new ETFs was launched in 2023 and their combined total volume was 450 million on Tuesday. 11 Bitcoin ETF versus 543 ETF of 2023, $4.6 billion versus $450 million means 10 times more, thus making Bitcoin ETF most popular ETF asset class. It made me think, when so much money is flowing in, why still Bitcoin is going down? Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold, which prompted me to investigate the historical trend of gold price when the gold spot ETF was launched in November 2004. Interestingly, the gold price remained relatively flat until around September 2005 when it started to ascend. On November 18, 2004, the gold price stood at $444 per ounce. About 10 months later, on September 6, 2005, it reached the same value of $444 per ounce. However, by the end of the year, gold price had climbed to around $513 per ounce, making an approximate 15% increase within a year from the launch of gold ETF. It is worth noting that such a pattern is not guaranteed to replicate with Bitcoin ETFs. How was the performance of the 11 ETFs from Jan 11 to Jan 19th, 2024? GBTC secured the top position with the least negative performance of 9.07%. However, when factoring in its fees of 1.5%, it would shift to the bottom of the chart. BTCW took first place with a negative of 10.06% and with a fee of 0.30%. EasyBC came second place with a negative of 10.50% and with a low fee of 0.29%. IBIT and BTCO holds third place, followed by FBTC, ARKB, and HODL. BITB and BRRR are in the fifth place, followed by DEFI with a negative of 11.23% and a high fee of 0.94%. If my viewers were to inquire about the best ETF among the 11, my response would be that there isn't a one size fits all. Similar to individuals, these 11 ETFs are distinct in their strategies and approaches, making it challenging to pinpoint a single best choice. In the realm of ETFs, the expense ratio stands out as a crucial factor. If we solely focus on this metrics, the victory in the battle would be claimed by Bitwise Bitcoin ETF, BITB. Considering a combination of factors such as popularity, 1 billion of Bitcoin under management in the last week, low fees at 0.25%, and being the world's largest asset manager overseeing 10 trillion in assets, the clear winner emerges as BlackRock iShares Bitcoin Trust (IBIT). Grayscale is Wall Street's most experienced public crypto provider with maximum number of coins under its trust. Out of 11 ETF, 8 ETF custodian is Coinbase. If one is looking for a custodian other than Coinbase, then can go with Fidelity Bitcoin ETF, FBTC. Fidelity is another big name Bitcoin ETF. With a fairly low expense ratio, it is a world largest 401k plan and service provider. If you enjoy the content, please give the video a thumbs up. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments your choice of Bitcoin ETF.